quick update, let you know that Gemini Pro is now live inside of Bard, bard.google.com. And if you come over here, it's this little question mark and check the updates, you'll notice that as of yesterday, 12/6/23, biggest update yet to Bard with Gemini Pro. And if you click this link here inside of the updates section of Bard, it'll come to this page here, introducing all the details from the CEO of Alphabet, Google, as well as a breakdown introducing Gemini, all the details about it. And I'm going to put this link in the comment section, okay? Anyhow, if you want to keep up with what's going on with AI, join us for free at learnhowtouseai.com. And as of today, inside of bard.google.com, the AI that Google has, you can access Gemini Pro live. It went live yesterday, thanks to Google. All right. Have a great day.